Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. That was my portrait, my special portrait. Today, I'd like to make a short video about the impressive state visit of President Donald Trump and First Lady Melania Trump to Great Britain. I just want to talk about President Donald Trump. It was his second visit after the death of Queen Elizabeth. Now, my personal impressions. Upon his arrival at London Stansted Airport, he seemed radiant and friendly. This man will be 80 in a year. Show me men of that age who have such dynamism, such a positive, youthful charisma. He has a friendly word for everyone, greets his hosts charmingly, and was particularly impressed by Princess Catherine of Wales. He enjoyed the tradition, the festivities, the ride in the golden carriage, the music. It all reminded me of a fairy tale. Isn't all of this wonderful? Things like this still happen even in these negative times. And his perfect appearance at Windsor Castle. Donald Trump has a positive aura, is hands-on, admirable. It's not a show. He is like that. He is authentic. He smiles often. Trump exudes confidence, strength, hope. People feel it. Next to Donald Trump, Keir Starmer doesn't stand a chance. He looks pale, gray, without charisma. Donald Trump also exudes confidence with his powerful speech at the state banquet. I was very pleased to hear these reports. Everyone's joy was genuine. Trump's charisma creates jealousy and envy in his opponents. But he's strong. He knows that. Upon his return to the USA, Donald Trump answers reporters' questions while still on board Air Force One. After this exhausting, full schedule, after the long flights, may I ask, how do you feel after a long drive? Don't you say, now I just want to go home to bed? Sure, he is the President of the United States. But he's also a human being, a man who's almost 80 years old. My video has become a hymn to President Donald Trump. But I only told you how I felt about this event. To be very specific again, I'm not political in any way, nor do I want to be. I don't understand politics. But I do understand people. He is a human being with strengths and flaws, like all of us. But he's a special person. With President Donald Trump, there is hope. I wish you a positive weekend. See you on Monday. And please, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.